Guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, today I'm doing recreating my best friend's pictures. So guys, people mostly do recreating Instagram pictures, but as I'm not an Insta, I'm doing this my best friend's pictures. So I have chosen 3 of my friends and they have given 2 pictures each. So I'm gonna be recreating that, and I think it's gonna be difficult because I don't have anything similar to them. So I'll try my best to do it. Okay, so if you like the video, you need to do only 3 things, that is like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get picture is this is the picture of my friend Anika. Okay, so in this she is wearing a black sweatshirt with some like white like New York in that. So I don't have that, so I'm gonna be wearing a plain black sweatshirt, plus she is wearing a leggings tights, so I'm gonna wear that. And for the hair, I'm gonna make my hair like that. So let's start making it. And she's clicking it on a mirror, so she has edited the picture, so I'm gonna be editing the same. So let's see how it comes. I have formed my look and now I'm gonna be showing you my final picture. So guys, this is my final picture. This is the final result. Okay, yes. So guys, I don't know how much it looks similar, that you will tell me in the comment section. Okay, so now let's move to picture 2. Okay, so the second picture is also of Anika. Okay, so this is the picture. She is a lot into gymnastics, so she has done a bridge, so she told me do a bridge. Okay, so for half sleeves, I'm not wearing half sleeves in winter, so I'm gonna wear a white top, but that's full. Okay, and for the tights, I have a blue tights, and the shoes are I have the shoes I have same, and our hair are like similar. So let's make it to find my top. So guys, I'm wearing this white sweatshirt because I didn't find a white top. That's this looks similar with it, the color and all, so I thought to wear this. Okay, so let's wear it. And for the leggings, I'm gonna wear it and show it to you. My sweatshirt is ready and now I'm gonna wear my leggings. I'm ready guys, see my leggings. Okay, so now let's go and click the picture. I don't have a similar background, but I have this. I'm gonna make here it. Okay, so let's make it. So guys, this is my final picture. This is my final pic. So guys, I think it's a fail because guys, it's really difficult to recreate. I always used to see people's pictures and I thought it's really easy. You just need to wear the outfit and do that. But guys, today I understood it's really difficult. It's really difficult. You must be thinking that I'm joking, but still, the bridge was easy. But the way the picture is clicked, copying that, it's really difficult. So you need to tell me it's a fail or a pass, because I think it's a fail. Okay, so now let's move to the next picture. And guys, this is the third picture. So guys, this is the picture of my friend Sanyukta. Okay, and this is also like really difficult. For that, she is wearing a white top, so I can continue with this because you know the summer and the same watch I am having. Okay, so for that, I'll go with the same outfit because it's winter and my summer clothes are not outside. My mother kept it back, like wherever she keeps the summer clothes, and so I'll go with this only. Okay, and let's try to click this because I think it's again really difficult to get that same pose. Like, okay, let's try our best. Okay, so guys, this is my final picture. After like 1,000 tries, I got this. Please let me know how is it. So दिस इज़ द पिक्चर. एंड गाइज मैं आपको बता दूं कि अगर आपको ये इजी लगता है, इट्स नॉट एट ऑल. मतलब इतना डिफ़िकल्ट है, मीन्स सेम पोज लाना, वो लाना. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ पास. आई थिंक सो. अगर आपको लगता है तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड प्लीज़ गिव मी अ लाइक फॉर दिस. because I think it's really difficult. Okay, so now let's move to picture 4. Is also saying, okay, this is the picture. So in this, she is wearing a green top and a denim jacket, and her hairstyle is somewhat like this, like something like this. And so I think I'm able to make this. Okay, let's find clothes because I don't think I have this army type color t-shirt. Still, let's find it. So guys, as I told you, I don't have a green t-shirt, so I thought to wear this jacket. So I thought it will be easy, but now this is like so ajeeb, okay? But still, let's try to click a photo like this only because I don't have anything else, okay? Let's click a final picture. So guys, I don't know how it is, but I know this outfit is like really bad. Really. I'm removing this. Okay, so guys, let's move to our 5th picture. Okay. So guys, 5th picture is of a person who you always must have been waiting to see. Okay, that's of Manini. So this is the picture. So guys, in this she is sitting outside near the plants, and yeah, and she is not wearing a frock. She told us it's a black top, so I could wear any black top because again summer winter summer winter. Okay, I asked them, all of them, to give me a winter clothes, but they said हमने picture नहीं खींची. So guys, let's try making this one. This is gonna be easy, I guess. Yeah, so let's get going. It is ready. Okay, and now I am going out to click a photo. So guys, I am out, and in my balcony I am finding a good place to click a nice picture. This is my final picture. So guys, this is the final picture, and guys, it was so difficult again. I say this was not that difficult. Yeah, okay, so this is the last picture, that is number 6. Okay, so it's of Manini only. So this is the picture. When I asked her for a winter picture, then she sent this. Okay, and now for this earpods I have a little different, but I think that will work. Okay, I can get the same. Then the leggings, I don't have a leggings like that, so I'm gonna wear black leggings, sorry. And for the t-shirt, yellow t-shirt, I have a yellow sweatshirt, so I'm gonna wear that. I think it's gonna be, so let's go and make it. Wearing a mask also, so for that I don't need to tell that I don't have a mask. It's a thing everyone has. So I am finding my yellow sweatshirt. Okay, today I am not able to find any clothes, and every day I am like, bhai hata do yahan se. So let's find it and get back to you. If I don't find it, I need to wear my sister's house t-shirt. That is of Ravi house. I'm joking, I'll find that. I wore this yellow sweatshirt, and I don't have the tights like Manini, so I'm wearing black only, and my earpuffs. So guys, I'm gonna be wearing these earpuffs because I don't have like that. I look cute. So now let's go and click the picture. So guys, this is the final result. Guys, this is my last picture. And guys, I think this was also nice. Okay, so guys, I would like to say that this was really difficult. If you think that it's easy, so it's not, and you need a lot of patience for this by clicking the photo again and again and again. Like I clicked around 1,000 pictures, like we could not say that 100 pictures at least, because for getting a pose of someone else we need to do a lot of hard work, and these clothes changing. So please do give a like, please don't ignore this because it's really difficult to do. Please do give a like, and please do 3 things before going: like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you watch any this video of someone else, please do like their video also, because everyone does a lot of hard work. It looks like it's really easy. When I saw of people on YouTube, I thought that this is so easy and let's try this. But if you try, then you will understand. Now also some people must be thinking that I'm just giving a bhajan, but it's not. It's really difficult. So I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below which was your favorite pose, picture, and tell. And at the last you can see my bloopers. Bloopers as in the pictures that were not nice. Okay, till then, goodbye and stay tuned. Keep watching my videos. Bye bye. And let me know in the comment section which was your favorite picture. And at the last, I would like thank you, Anika, Manini, Sanyukta, for these wonderful pictures. You all look beautiful, and I hope I could recreate it really nicely. Let me know in the comment section how was my recreation of your pictures. Bye.